Assalamu alaikum respected viewers. Welcome to my channel Ahfaz Educational Smart Way of Learning. एजुकेशनल वीडियोस की सबसे पहले अपडेट हासिल करने के लिए हमारे साथ जुड़िए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए। Today we are going to learn English Bridge Course Class 7 Subject English. Activity number 37. Learning outcome of this activity. इस एक्टिविटी में आपको एक कहानी सुनाई जाएगी। इस कहानी को आपको समझना है और एंजॉय करना है। प्यारे बच्चों, आपके लिए इंस्ट्रक्शंस है कि आपको ये स्टोरी सुनाई जाएगी। आपको इस स्टोरी को गौर से सुनना है, इस पर डिस्कशन करना है और स्टोरी को अपने अल्फाज में कहने की कोशिश करना है। बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द लर्निंग एक्टिविटी, आई विल आस्क यू सम क्वेश्चंस. प्लीज गिव मी आंसर्स. डू यू लाइक स्टोरीज?
Yes, I like stories.
Who tells us a story?
Mother and grandmother.
How many stories you have listened?
Too many.
Okay, very good. Now we are going to read very interesting story, The Nightingale and the Nobleman. बुलबुल और शरीफ आदमी. Okay, now listen to me and understand the story. A nobleman in a faraway land once caught a nightingale and put him in a cage. No bird likes to be shut up in a cage. The nightingale began to plead, "Please set me free. If you let me go, I will tell you the secret of happiness." The nobleman was rich but not happy. He wanted to know the secret of happiness, so he let the birds go. "Listen," said the nightingale. "This is the secret of happiness. Never cry over spilt milk and never trust idle words." The nobleman didn't think much of the secret. This is just a silly piece of advice," he exclaimed. The nightingale flew a little higher and said, "Too bad you let me go. I have rare diamonds under my wings. Now you won't get any of them." Now the nobleman was really very angry and very unhappy. "Oh no, how stupid of me, you wicked bird, you nasty bird. Wait till I catch you again," he began to wail. "Don't be so upset, my lord," said the nightingale. "It was kind of you to let me go. That's why I gave you a good piece of advice. Think over it. The first thing I said was, don't cry over spilt milk. I am already far away from you. You can't catch me again. Then why make yourself unhappy about it? Secondly, how can an ordinary bird like me have diamonds under his wings? Those were just idle words of mine. It's a mistake to trust such words. Use my bits of advice and be happy. Farewell." The nobleman watched as the bird flew away. Now let's come to the practice. Understand the story from the given meanings. Write in your own words. दिए गए मानी से कहानी को समझे और इसे अपने अल्फाज में लिखिए.